Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a different one today. I'm going to show how I go about buying crypto in Canada. I use an app called Shakepay, which is on mobile. I'm showing my screen here, but you can also get it on desktop. Basically, you use an e-transfer from your bank account and with your password and all that stuff, and the money shows up in the Shakepay account within a few minutes. Really, it's been really good. And then once the cash is there, you can see I have a $20 balance that I just transferred. You're able to buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum directly from the app. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm going to transfer from $20 into Bitcoin. You can see it's just a tiny amount, 0.0004. And click through there, confirm, and then instantly you have the Bitcoin in your account. So yeah, I've just bought Bitcoin. And then what I like to do is transfer it over to an external wallet that I have for storing it. So what you can do is just click on the little thing there, brings up the camera, and then I can deposit it into the QR code, and I'll send the maximum amount over. And then of course it'll take 5-10 minutes or whatever for it to show up in the wallet, and then and then you're good to go. So this is bringing up the wallet that I use. It's called Exodus. Again, that is available on iOS and Android. This is just a desktop version that I'm showing here, but yes. So I had that deposit already show up. I'll just show there's how you show the QR code when you want to transfer. But currently sitting at a balance of $501. Bitcoin has taken a bit of a dive recently. Yeah, so you can see received a minute ago was 0.0004, and it takes a few minutes until it's actually confirmed through the blockchain, but within a little while it'll be actually confirmed and available, and then you can store it there, or you could send it somewhere else. I mean, you could send it anywhere else from the Shakepay app as well. You could send it to any exchange if you wanted to buy any kind of altcoins, or stake it with to earn interest. But what I do is, I'm just holding it long term. The other thing I can say is that Shakepay has a referral program, so if you want to download it, there's a link below, and we'll both get a bit of a bonus once you deposit $100. And the other thing, it's a little gimmick that they have every day. You shake your phone, and you get a few satoshis or whatever. Like, it's just a very small percentage of a Bitcoin. But every day, once you as you build up a streak, your daily the daily amount that you get for the shaking increases every day. So kind of is a bit of a challenge to try and remember every day to shake your phone and get that satoshis. So it's kind of cool. But yeah, if you download the app, definitely click on my link below, and you'll get like I said, you'll get a bit of a bonus. I think it's $10 once you deposit 30, or once you deposit 100. Sorry. So yeah, that's how I'm buying my Bitcoin at the moment. There's tons of different ways, but this one is super easy and quick. So if you like this stuff, again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you back again with another video soon. Take care. Thanks. Bye.